Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare a quick lunchbox recipe, brinjal rice. For this, first we have to prepare masala powder. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add a small piece of chopped coconut. Saute the coconuts for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, that is split chickpeas, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, that is split black gram, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 2 to 3 dry chilies. Saute everything well nicely. Make sure everything gets roasted well. This is perfect. We can transfer this into a mixie jar and powder it. Our powder is ready. Set this aside. Next, pour some oil in a pan. In this, we are going to fry some cashews. This is optional. Now add half a cup of chopped onions and few curry leaves. Give a nice saute. To this add quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute them till the onions are translucent. And now we are going to add the brinjals. You can add around 3 to 4 brinjals. Add the required amount of salt and saute them till it is half cooked. This is almost half cooked and we are going to add the prepared masala now. Next we are going to add tamarind water. This is a small lemon sized tamarind soaked in half a cup of water. We are going to filter it and add it. Now we have to allow the brinjal to cook in this water. So let us close this and cook for 5 minutes. Give a quick stir, close this again and cook for another 5 minutes. This is ready now. The oil has oozed out. Now we can add fried cashews and some coriander leaves. Masala is ready. Now it's time to mix the masala with the rice. This is around 3 cups of rice and this is basmati rice. Apart from basmati rice, you can use regular parboiled rice also. Our brinjal rice is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.